Welcome guys. Welcome to Daily Crypto Trading. Today we're going to do a follow-up TA of Matic and what a run Matic had. Since I made a TA of Matic more than 3 months ago, it hit our target in perfection. Actually, it overextended our target and did a 300% gains to us. Everything is recorded and posted, of course, so you guys can check the Matic TA video for yourself. I have posted more Matic TA since then, but I was positive we will hit $2 based on the TA I made. While everyone was running away from Matic and it was below $1, we made the Wyckoff accumulation. We were positive and confident of our trade, and guys, patience is key because it's paid off. And in that video, I mentioned the Wyckoff accumulation phase, right? I bought Matic right over here and posted the video right over here when the price was surging at $1.4, I believe, and was saying that I will sell out around this area, $1.6 to $2, around 25%, and this will be my buyback area, which of course went down there. All right, guys. So already here we were accumulating more Matic for the upside. As you guys recall, if you've been following my channel at that moment, things were fear, right? Everyone was panicking, running away. Bitcoin was correcting itself. However, I was just accumulating more Matic for the upside because I knew we were on this Elliott wave. I showed you guys my TA. I showed what I believed. I even said that we will reach $2. A lot of people did not believe it. I got trolled. I got hated for it. But anyway, guys, I'm still 300% up. The reason for that hate was most likely because I do probability correct TA, because I was explaining in my previous video that we were in a huge pricing range, which means we are in corrective move. We will see some downside. So I told you all I will sell 25% over this area when it goes around my buy zone, 25% buy zone. I will just buy it back with the 25%. And guess what, guys? It went over to my buy zone, did a Elliott wave 1 to 55 and corrected itself yet again, guys. So we hit my target perfectly. So the question is, where do we go from here? If you do not want to miss these calls, these profitable calls, guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, like any content I got, of course, hit the alert button, comment anything you like. And guys, remember, I am not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence or you might get wrecked. A fast look at the fear and greed index for Bitcoin. We can see Bitcoin is still in extreme fear to 25. We are a bit higher from yesterday's fear from 16, but we are still in fear. Remember, guys, I always buy the fear and sell the greed unless we're in a bear market because it can push the price further down. A fast look at the altcoin season index. We are level 37, and to be in altcoin season we need to be 75, so we're far from it. As you guys see, we are 37 and getting closer to 25, which means a Bitcoin season, guys. This is important. Altcoin money will be converted to Bitcoin to price the Bitcoin higher. Well, that is a good thing for Bitcoin. For the altcoins, not that good because they lose value in time and get undervalued, right? That is also the place where we buy because it's cheapest, and we are in altcoin season. Things just exposed to the upside, but be aware of that. At the moment we are not in altcoin season and we are closing to our Bitcoin season instead, guys. If you look at the daily chart, we can see at the moment we're in an Elliott wave. We are actually in the last phase of the Elliott wave, which is the wave 5, an impulsive move to the upside. Before what we get what we call our ABC correction, which is the ABC zigzag. It's a corrective move, which is a larger move to the downside. Now, guys, it's important to understand I'm not trying to spread thought or anything like that. I'm just saying what I see in the chart. All right. Last time I did this pricing wedge and people got furious with me and said that was wrong T and so on. But guess what? It did go down. I did buy cheaper prices. Look, Matic is a great project. It's a layer 2 solution. Great project, great team. So I am bullish in the long term. So it's not that because I'm bearish at all. I'm just a day trader. I trade what I see. I don't use my emotions to it, guys. So if you're emotionally connected to Matic, this is maybe not the video because I am brutally honest when I see things. And the thing, what I see at the moment is we are in wave 5, all right, which is the last straw before we see any correction, guys. So in my opinion, it will be a great buying opportunity if we see wave 5. Now the question is, where do we see wave 5, right? So it can end right here at this fib level at 1.382, right? Or we can go to the fib level, which is the 1.618, which is around $2.8. Or the last one, we can get overextended and hit this fib level, which is fib level 2, $3, and the last one ever in this fib level, I believe, will be, of course, 2.618. That is around $3.8. That is still great gains. I don't think the probability is that high. There is a possibility, but I believe that the fib level 1.382 or fib level 1.618 is a higher probability for that. Let's jump to the forward chart, guys, and see the short-term gains, right? What can we expect from Matic, guys? If we're looking just at the chart at the moment, again, Elliott wave, we are again seeing, remember, there's wave within waves in Elliott wave theory, and we are getting closer to wave 5, right, which is the last one before we see a big correction. And we can actually get great buying opportunities from them, guys. So if you guys look at the VPVR, we can see right over here at the forward chart, again, right over the A, great buying opportunity, and we can maybe sell here if it just stops, right, because there's some resistance that you guys are seeing right over here. So you can buy here if you want and sell here if you're day trading, or you can just hold. Otherwise, the other support area, which we call a demand area, right, is right over here, guys. As you are seeing, VPVR are showing these two as a strong support, which is also showing that this will be some kind of corrective wave to the downside. Remember, guys, Matic can go to the moon and so on, but TA101 Elliott wave, it is showing we are getting oversold. We have bearish diversion. I will show you guys in a second about that. But if you want to buy in, I do not recommend, again, guys, remember, this is not financial advice, but I would recommend that buy at the top, because if you guys buy at the top at the moment and you're chasing the green instead of the red, guys, you will get wrecked. All right, I'm telling you, as an experienced trader for 6 years, I did the same thing when I was new, chased the green candlestick, right, and I just got wrecked. I would rather wait for a buying opportunity, which is the past resistance right here, or right at this level, right? So at around $2, below $2 to $1.5, that will be a great buying opportunity. And then just wait to see more market structure to see we have bottomed out for the corrective move right after. Something else to notice, guys, our volume are increasing right over here, but it's look like we are getting a bit decreasing volume, right? It's important to understand, if the price goes up like this and the volume goes down like this, there's a bad thing. That usually means there's a sell-off waiting when we reach the top, guys. So be aware of that, guys. Also, if we are looking at the RSI, we're not an oversold area. We have been an oversold area, but if we just, you know, measure it like this, right, we can actually see at the moment, I don't know, guys, if you are seeing it, we are in a bearish divergence, guys. Do you guys see? We're actually in a strong bearish divergence. This also indicates that in the forward chart, short term, we will have a corrective move, guys. So be prepared for that. And if we also just confirm it with the RSI stock, we are oversold, guys. The same is the MACD telling us, guys, we can still see some gains, right? Because at the moment, people are greedy with Matic, which means it will push the price to the upside. But once we reach our end goal or fib level or resistance, there's a lot of sellers waiting, just ready to, you know, let go of their bags and sell it to you in more expensive bags, right? So you buy expensive bag and sell it later for cheaper. They buy it at a cheaper price later on, guys. That is how we traders do, pretty much. And our last thing, guys, if we look at the weekly chart, also we can see, you guys are seeing right there, we can again see the bearish divergence unfolding right over here. Do you guys see? So every time, what does that mean? Every time the RSI trying to go up with the price action, it is hitting the resistance and going down, right? So this is important to understand. Once we hit the resistance enough, there will be a sell-off. Look at the volume. The volume is decreasing while the price yet again. Do you guys see? Volume is decreasing while the price is going up. Everything at the moment are telling me that we are getting overextended, and we can actually go 10, 15, 20% more before we see downside. I'm not saying we're not going to see it, because my wave 5 are still here at $2.8, as you guys remember I told you early on. But once we hit these target, guys, I do believe we are seeing corrective move, right? That is what the chart are telling me. Again, bearish divergence in the volume, in the RSI, oversold area in the RSI stock. We are seeing that the MACD is going over at the oversold area, but right after, again, we will see some kind of downfall. Guys, be aware of that. Have risk management and key. I'm not trying to spread thought. I'm just telling you guys right now what I'm seeing in the chart. Now, something else we can be aware of, that is the 21 SMA and 30 SMA and 50 SMA. So as you guys see here, Once we are below this, then we need to have some kind of support at 30 and a 50. When we are below the both thing and get rejected, then we are in bear market at the moment. So I'm not saying we're in bear market at the moment with Matic, right? But we can get in a bear market if we go down. However, as you guys are seeing, we are going up, which is a good thing. Usually that means that it will be used as a support. But as you guys are seeing, if we go these levels, yet again, we can go to 1.5, 1.6 and buy over these areas. That will also be a great and strong support area, which are again supported by the 21, 30 and 50 SMA, guys. Yet again, this is a confirmation. So be prepared. When we are getting overextended, we will see more downside. But again, we need to see where wave 5 ends. We need more market structure before we can confirm anything. But the probability for downfall or downside is high, guys. I will say 65% chance for downside and 35% chance for upside. Alright guys, be aware of that. Thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoy my content, subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit the alert button, join our free Telegram group, guys, and comment anything you like. See you in the Telegram group.